This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin in total darkness, no peeking. First, check chemicals are mixed and at 20 degrees C. Precision here controls contrast and grain. Next, prepare your changing bag or darkroom entrance, then move film into the developing tank, spool carefully to avoid overlaps. Once done, seal the tank and note start time on a timer. Make sure to label the roll so you know exposure and ISO. This is the vital first action. You're turning latent images into visible possibilities, so act deliberately and steadily. You pour developer with a steady hand and start the timer. Timing equals tonal control. Agitate vigorously for the first 10 seconds, then switch to gentle inversions or 1/3 rotations every 30 seconds. This evens development and prevents streaks. Once the timer ends, pour in stop bath to halt development immediately. Make sure agitation is brief. Then transfer to fixer for the full fixing duration to make the image permanent. Rinse between steps to avoid carryover. Keep notes on each variable for repeatable results. You finish by washing the negatives. Aim for 5-10 minutes with running water or several clean bath changes when water is scarce, because residual fixer ruins film over time. Then hang negatives with a clip and bottom weight in a dust-free space to dry flat. Once dry, cut and sleeve them for storage. If you encounter mottling, streaks, or uneven density, suspect developer exhaustion, incorrect dilution, or contaminated trays, replace chemicals, clean gear, and test with a control strip to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.